The Sorting Transfer Vehicle, or STV, is a high-speed automated transport and sorting system for pallets. In today's logistic environment, efficiency and adaptability are essential. The STV integrates seamlessly with automated storage and retrieval systems, conveyors, and picking robots, helping businesses optimize their material handling operations. Operating at speeds up to 200 meters per minute, the STV ensures smooth and quiet operations. It automatically alters its speed based on load, maximizing performance while minimizing energy consumption. The system is very flexible, whether a single shuttle, dual shuttle, or multi-vehicle loop. It's adaptable to various layouts and volume requirements, easily scaling with your business. In a single shuttle system, one vehicle efficiently transports loads along a straight or curved rail, reducing the need for forklifts. For high throughput, the dual shuttle system uses two vehicles at the same time, boosting capacity and ensuring continuous operations even during maintenance. The multi-vehicle loop features multiple vehicles on a continuous loop, increasing processing capacity and allowing for easy integration of additional vehicles as your demand grows. The STV operates in temperatures as low as -30, making it ideal for cold chain environments where manual operations can be challenging. With more than 8,000 STVs installed across industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and retail, it's a proven solution that streamlines operations, saving time and labor even in the most demanding environments.